A quick update, a quick look at TAR's AI. So TAR's AI, in my opinion, the bottom is probably close to being in if it's not already. I mean, just looking at the overall chart, we're back down to this area here. Let me go ahead and draw this first. We are putting in a higher low here, as you can see. And then, of course, the bottom I'm talking about is this area here. You know, when it first launched, and then it came back down to this area once again in this box, and now we're hitting the top of it pretty much. And we're putting in that higher low. So just wanted to point that out. That is bullish on the macro, in my opinion. On top of that, we have the price going down, making lower lows, but then we have the money flow here making higher lows. So there is bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence, that is, on the money flow. So that could start to tell us that the prices of these coins are about to start going up. And we are, like I keep mentioning over and over again, we're coming up on the end of October, almost in November. Everyone's screaming bear market. Everyone's screaming no alt season. So those are all bottom signals, in my opinion. So I'm liking where these coins are sitting at. They're like in the perfect spot for this time in the market cycle, in my opinion. One last thing we'll do on TARS AI here before we get into the higher targets is we'll go from the low to the high, see if this tells us anything. And yeah, we are still right above the final 786 support here. Not perfectly, but we're above that final level at about 3.4. So we will see if the bottom is in. Once this thing finally gets back over 7.5 to 8 cents, where it's getting stuck all back here, then you can be bullish on this thing to possibly push up and get through 15 and then make a new all-time high possibly. So right now, I believe it's sitting at a 37 million market cap. I could be wrong on that. Do your research, of course, all the time. None of this is financial advice, but for this thing to hit a billion market cap from where it is right now at 4 pennies, that would take us possibly up to the 1272 at about $1.15. And from where we are today, that's about a 27.5, almost a 28x to that level there to hit that dollar range. Now, I did end up drawing a box here. It is based on another fib. If we go from this high to the low, we do have another level here. So anywhere from around 80 cents to $1 in this box, I think is very possible. So you're looking at anywhere from a 20x up to that dollar range, up to, possibly a wick above. So anywhere from a 20 to 30x is possible on TARS AI. So like I said, a billion market cap to this dollar range. And if you take half of that and say half a billion market cap, then, that would put you around just a slightly higher high here, around 50 cents or so. So, of course, comment down below your thoughts on TAI here. Where do you see it ending up? Are you holding it? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.